What have I done? Yeah, I've tried to use this Paint Factory fabric and vinyl paint again. You saw my last attempt using it, which was, yeah, pretty hideous. That has gone back for a refund. This one here is the black, and yeah, it is friggin' shiny as anything. This stuff is just garbage. I will never ever use this again. So yeah, if you're looking at this, it's all over eBay. It's really cheap, and yeah, that's what you're gonna get when you put it onto vinyl. Yeah. So now we've got to figure out how to remove it so I can do it with some actual good quality stuff. Enough said. Yeah, Paint Factory, fabric paint and vinyl paint, absolute thumbs down.